Meet Miso, a tiny gray kitten with a big dream to taste the finest soup ever made. One rainy afternoon, Miso watched her humans stir a steaming pot, the rich aroma making her whiskers twitch with curiosity and excitement. Determined to create her own delicious soup, she padded quietly into the kitchen as soon as it was empty. First, she tried carrot soup, pawing gently at the diced orange veggies and purring softly as she licked the bowl's rim. It was sweet and smooth, but not quite the flavor she imagined. Next, she attempted chicken broth, carefully dropping tender shreds into warm water. The savory taste was delightful and comforting, but Miso still wanted something more special. Not giving up, she mixed a bit of fresh fish, a splash of creamy milk, and a sprinkle of fragrant parsley. She stirred carefully with her tiny paw, then tasted the result, a creamy, comforting blend that warmed her from nose to tail. Feeling proud and content, Miso curled up in a cozy corner, satisfied with her unique creation. Her quest for the perfect soup had led her to discover not just new flavors, but the joy of curiosity, patience, and creativity. In her own little world, Miso had become a master soup chef, one pawful at a time.